There's one in the water.
Dad, let me get one. Let me get one.
Oh, there's some right below us.
There's two. Dad, there's two over there.
There's more than two right there, Kay.
There's a few right below us, yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Dad, let me have one. Let me have the bait. Oh. Right there.
They're coming in.
Come on. I'm ready, Dad. I'm ready to fish.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was...
I'm ready to fish.
Guys, mind if we jump and pet it?
No, that's fine.
No,
Go ahead.
there's crocs right here.
There is! Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a lot.
And there's some over there.